Exciting news, my Hauswirt M5 stand mixer just arrived. So today is the big unboxing day. Firstly, take the mixer out of the box. Totally digging the color on this one. Peel off these protective films. 5-liter stainless steel mixing bowl, perfect for home use. The dough hook is stainless steel too. Super sturdy. The silicone edge design on the mixing hook ensures a more even texture. The 16-claw egg beater whips meringue faster. The lid to prevent any splatter. Plus, with palm bearings, no more worrying about black dust. 2 extra slots for more attachments. And how cool is that little light on top for easy viewing? This is a new front-mounted control panel, can operate vertically, more comfortable and save kitchen space. With 7 speeds hitting around 63 decibels. Already pretty darn quiet for a mixer. After watching your unboxing video, are you tempted to add this powerhouse to your kitchen arsenal?